All right, you guys know I'm a big fan of my Jam Dynamics slide lock that prevents the bonnet prop from breaking and putting the bonnet on my melon. Well, Jam Dynamics sent me a new design, and we're going to try it out. All right, so like I said, you got the Jam Dynamics. This one's referred to as the Magna-Lock, patent pending. So what this is essentially a C-channel of aluminum, and then you've got 3 high-strength magnets in there, and instead of it sliding up and down, it's just going to fit right over top of the bonnet prop. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on like this. The 2 magnets that are on this side are going to contact one on the top rod and the other one on the top of the bonnet stay, and then this one right in the center here is going to contact this way. So again, I got to push my bonnet down because it's a little weird. Slide it over like that, and that's it. Still just as secure, still just not going anywhere. I guess you could say it's a little bit more temporary. When you're done, slide the thing off. That's it. I mean, this is easier to use than the slide lock is, and I thought that was really easy. And because it's got magnets, when you're done and you're ready to put the bonnet back down, you just set it right there. That's a convenient place to do it, and it's going to stay locked in because of those magnets. When you're ready to open the bonnet again and lock it in, you just take it there. The MagnaLock's there waiting for you, ready to go. Not much to it. Again, you can't get much simpler than this design. No moving parts. Does exactly what it says it's going to do. Can't beat it. All right, so again, MagnaLock from Jam Dynamics. Also, again, in full disclosure, the owner did send me this. I did not have to pay for it. As of the recording of this, I don't have any pricing information or release information for this. I'm really testing this out for him, so this isn't ready for prime time yet, but I assume it will be. My personal preference is I prefer the slide lock because I like that it's resident on the bonnet prop. I found that these magnets seem to be a little weak, and though I have not put it in the car and driven around because I don't want to lose it, I feel that when you put it in on that, the support in between the master cylinders, it just doesn't feel like it's grabbing quite strong enough that if you don't hit a good enough bump, you might throw it. I'm not worried about damage or anything like that, but you're going to lose it. So again, I don't know the price of these. I'm sure Jam Dynamics will come out with that soon. Again, I'll leave in the description, I'm going to leave an email and the forum posts and all that kind of stuff so you guys can link to it. But again, if you would prefer this, easy on and off, you can store it. Again, I prefer the slide lock, but that's a personal preference. Both are very effective at doing what they say they're going to do. So thanks a lot for watching. Jam Dynamics. Cheers.